In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when your Apple Watch isn't connecting to your iPhone. Let's get started with some easy methods. Method 1. Check Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on your iPhone. Go to Settings Bluetooth and toggle it on. Also, make sure Wi-Fi is enabled on both devices. Method 2. Restart both devices. Restart your Apple Watch by pressing and holding the side button, then slide to power off. Restart your iPhone by holding the power button and sliding to power off. Turn both devices back on and try reconnecting. Method 3. Check airplane mode. On your Apple Watch, swipe up to open Control Center and ensure airplane mode is off. On your iPhone, also make sure airplane mode is disabled in Settings or Control Center. Method 4. Reset network settings on iPhone. Go to Settings, General Reset Network Settings. This will reset Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth connections, and VPN settings, so reconnect after the reset. Method 5. Unpair and repair the Apple Watch. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Go to All Watches Info. Next to your watch, unpair Apple Watch. After unpairing, follow the setup process to pair your watch again. Bonus tip. Make sure both your iPhone and Apple Watch are running the latest iOS and watchOS versions for better compatibility. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you fix your connection issue, please like and subscribe for more Apple Watch tips and tutorials.